Sean Sellers, stuck in a nightmare. People want something more real than mind games. People will bring their other relationships into their novel ways. People caught for one thing will be known for other things that they, at that point, had gotten away with. Beliefs and deeds all count, regardless of the associated creed. And we really can't look at this stuff and say, oh, we need to prosecute these crimes differently because of the religion associated with it and are hate crimes. It's like, oh, well, if people are, because, you know, it really does, per se, not need to be treated any different. There is the talk in even manuals of jails and prisons how some things, when groups are targeted, are not dealt with differently. But let's be honest, the main function of targeting happens to be with perceived weakness and perceived ability to get away with certain things. And people that are like looking to movies and music for their guidance of the details of how they're supposed to carry out their crime or their life. Uh, I mean, people are going to be stupid with anything, right? And was Sean Sellers any less gullible once he fell into the ministry versus what he did with his friends and two other people before he was locked up for the rest of his life?